Paleolightning describes the residues of ancient lightning activity studied in fields such as historic geology, geoarchaeology, and fulminology. Paleolightning supplies concrete evidence for the study lightning activity in Earth's past and the functions lightning might have played in Earth's history. Some research studies have actually speculated that lightning activity played an essential role in the development of not just Earth's early environment, however likewise early life. While lightning magnetic abnormalities can supply evidence of lightning activity in a region, these abnormalities are frequently problematic for those examining the magnetic record of rock types because they disguise natural electromagnetic fields present. 154 When I was aiming to buy an electric motorcycle, I wanted something flexible. A comfy daily rider, an exhilarating canyon carver, and a true performance sport bike. The acceleration is just unbelievable. Its competitive pricing provides it the capacity to be the two-wheeled equivalent of Tesla's mass-market Model 3. Sir Alan Cathcart, Australian Bike News. I own Lightning Strike No. 1 KB. I was struck by how elegantly the power streamed in. It's a beautifully easy bike to ride with firm damping and neutral handling. Chassis feedback is exceptional. Performance, range, quickly charging and value. I wanted a bike that can do anything I ask it to, and that's what the Lightning team provided. -G. I am always surprised when individuals asks me, what is that bike? It is so peaceful. Even women stop me at intersections to chat and match me on the bike, which is a gorgeous pearl scent white with carbon fiber trim on the fairing. Get one if you can. MDD. The LS218 is the king of a brand new type of electric motorbikes, one developed to take on the world's finest gas bikes and beat them on performance, not just emissions figures. Nothing tosses you into the future like this thing. Absolutely nothing. And it had the branded black/white paint task for about the first year. However, I wanted an all-white bike, so I repainted my Strike. I've been riding motorcycles because my very first Honda SL125 in 1972. Since then I've owned over 20 bikes varying from motocrossers to cruisers to sport bikes. The LS218 is a far better entertainer than any other electrical motorcycle I have actually ridden. Arthur Coldwell's motorbike. The place on Earth where lightning takes place frequently is over Lake Maracaibo, in which the Catatumbo lightning phenomenon produces 250 bolts of lightning a day. 40. This activity happens typically 297 days a year. The reverse happens in a positive CG flash, where electrons travel upward along the lightning channel and a favorable charge is transferred to the ground, traditionally the present circulations from the cloud to the ground. Favorable lightning is less common than unfavorable lightning, and usually makes up less than 5% of all lightning strikes. 73. Paleolightning describes the remnants of ancient lightning activity studied in fields such as historic geology, geoarchaeology, and fulminology. Research study from the Future Climate for Africa program demonstrates that utilizing a convection-permitting design over Africa can more properly catch convective thunderstorms and the distribution of ice particles. This research study shows environment modification might increase the total quantity of lightning just somewhat. The overall variety of lightning days per year reduces, while more cloud ice and stronger convection leads to more lightning strikes occurring on days when lightning does happen. 149. In lots of cultures, lightning has actually been considered as an indication or part of a deity or a deity in and of itself. In Christianity, the second coming of Jesus is compared to lightning. 159. Lightning can strike anywhere on Earth. In fact, there are about 6,000 lightning strikes every minute, which is more than 8 million strikes every day. Lightning causes thunder, a sound from the shock wave which develops as gases in the vicinity of the discharge experience an abrupt boost in pressure. Lightning happens frequently during thunderstorms along with other types of energetic weather systems. However, volcanic lightning can likewise happen during volcanic eruptions. Lightning is an atmospheric electrical phenomenon and adds to Tige International Climatic Electrial Circuit. The production of X-rays by a bolt of lightning was anticipated as early as 1925 by CTR. At all times individuals have been amazed by the sight and difference of lightning. The fear of lightning is called astrophobia. Lightning discharges may occur between locations of cloud without contacting the ground. Leader objectives of the 1970s and 1980s, signals suggesting lightning might be present in the upper atmosphere were identified. 106 The short Cassini-Huygens mission flyby of Venus in 1999 spotted no indications of lightning, but radio pulses taped by the spacecraft Venus Express, which began orbiting Venus in April 2006, may originate from lightning on Venus. 107 lightning discharges generate a vast array of electromagnetic radiations, consisting of radio frequency pulses. Lightning in a thunderstorm is most likely to strike things and spots that are more popular or conductive. For example, lightning strikes the Empire State Building in New York City on average 23 times annually. 160 161 162 At Lightning Labs, we develop software that powers the Lightning Network. Our open source, safe and secure, and scalable Lightning systems make it possible for users to send out and receive cash more efficiently than ever before. We likewise provide a series of proven, non-custodial Lightning-based monetary services. We bridge the world of open source software application and the next generation of Bitcoin financial software. 11 Lightning is also the major reason for wildfire. 12 And wildfire can add to climate change as well. 13 More research studies are called for to clarify their relationship. Lightning can also happen throughout dust storms, forest fires, twisters, volcanic eruptions, and even in the cold of winter season, where the lightning is referred to as thundersnow. The North and South poles are restricted in their coverage of thunderstorms and therefore result in locations with the least lightning. Explanation required. In general, CG lightning flashes represent just 25% of all total lightning flashes worldwide. Because the base of a thunderstorm is typically adversely charged, this is where most CG lightning comes from.